Be a tour of a Fire-Lite MS-4 fire alarm system in an old Walgreens, which is now a temporary mattress firm clearance center. We have Wheelock MT horn strobes, one at every corner of the store. These appear to be the weatherproof ones with the weatherproof strobe. I suppose it's alright if we come back here, since they have mattresses back here. This is the former pharmacy. Not sure what kind of smoke detectors those are. I'm not an expert with smoke detectors. They have Edwards pull stations, EST 270 SPOs. I'll show you guys a few more horn strobes, then I'll quickly show you guys the fire alarm panel, which is a Fire-Lite MS-4. This used to be cosmetics. Thank you for shopping, Walgreens. And, EST 270 SPOs, Wheelock MT. It's cool having a store like this. Look at this. Hi. It's cool like having a store like this that opens up as something smaller like this. You guys can see the fire panel right back there. It's cool having a store that opens up to something like this for a while, so you can kind of see, you can kind of see it. And of course I'm not going to touch it, but here is the fire alarm panel. This is a Fire-Lite MS-4. Instructions. Buying a mattress today. There you guys go. Thanks for watching.